If you want to start collecting rainwater at home, but you don't want to buy an expensive rain barrel, this is an easy DIY option for you, and it costs about $20 to $30 to make, and it's really easy. So you just need to get a garbage can. I like to look for food grade garbage cans because I just feel that it's safer if I'm going to be using the water on anything edible. There should be a number on the bottom of the garbage can to tell you if it's food grade or not. If you're planning on just using this water on ornamental plants, it's probably fine, but I just like to err on the side of caution, and I just get food grade garbage cans. And the second thing that you're going to need is a mesh covering for it. It needs to be large enough to cover the whole circumference of the opening of the garbage can. Most of them have little drawstrings so you can cinch it nice and tight. The mesh is going to keep bugs out, it's going to keep debris out. And if you're concerned about algae, I have heard of people putting copper inside their rain barrels. I personally haven't tried it, but it's supposed to help prevent algae. If you're just using it on plants outside, it's probably not that big a deal, but that's up to you if you want to add copper or not. If you are concerned with mosquitoes, there is a product called Mosquito Bits, and they're granules that you put in the rain barrel, and it will kill mosquitoes and their larvae, but I do find that the mesh does a pretty good job at keeping them out. And if you want to add a spigot towards the bottom of the garbage can so that you can put your watering can underneath to fill up your watering cans, you can do that. I don't want to drill any holes in it because I am not great at things like plumbing, so I don't want to wreck the can. So I have no problem just lifting up the mesh and scooping water into my watering cans or submerging the watering can into the rain barrel to collect water. There are also kits that you can use to connect this to your rain gutter. Unfortunately, I have a French drain system, so I can't do that. I don't really want to cut a hole or change out my gutters, so I'm fine to just leave this out in the garden as is, and it collects water just fine. And if it's not going to rain for a while, you can always put the lid back on it just to make sure that nothing really truly gets inside. And then when it's going to rain again, you can just take the lid right off and it'll start collecting rainwater again. I hope that you found this helpful, and I hope you'll give it a try and save yourself some money and water.